Hello friends and welcome back to the lab. Today we're diving into a super cool project, learning how to send automated notifications to your Telegram using Python. Whether you want alerts, updates, or just a fun way to message yourself, this tutorial has you covered. By the end, you'll be sending messages straight to your phone with just a few lines of code. Before we get started, let's make sure you have everything. You'll need a Telegram account with the app installed, Python on your machine, in my case Mac, a code editor like Visual Studio Code, and a basic understanding of Python and APIs. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll guide you step by step and we'll have some fun along the way. First up, we need to create a Telegram bot. Open your Telegram app and search for BotFather. It's the bot that makes the bots. Click Start to chat with it, then send the command /new bot. BotFather will ask you to name the bot and give it a username ending in bot. Once that's done, it'll hand you a bot token, something like 1234:ABC. Copy this token and keep it safe. It's your API key for later. Now find your bot in Telegram using its username and hit start to kick off a one-on-one chat. This step is key. It activates your bot and sets us up to grab the chat ID. Send a quick message like /start or hi just to wake it up. To send messages to your Telegram with Python, we need your chat ID. It's a number tied to your private chat. Here's how to get it. After messaging your bot, head to your browser and type this into the URL, api.telegram.org/bot your bot token /get updates. Hit enter and you'll see a JSON response. Scroll through it and find a chat object where type is private. The ID there is your chat ID. Copy it down, we'll need it soon. Alright, let's get coding. Before we write anything, let's activate a virtual environment and pip install request so we can make API calls. Once it's installed, we're good to go. First, let's store your bot token and chat ID safely. You don't want anyone to have access to this. Create a file called config.py and add these lines. Token equals your bot token and chat ID, your chat ID. Plug in your token from BotFather and the chat ID we just grabbed from your web browser. Now create a new file called telegram_notifier.py. Now let's write our messaging function. Here's the code we'll use. It imports requests, pulls our config details, and sends messages via the Telegram API. To test it out, let's add at the bottom of the code if name == main. Send message hello. This is a test message from Python. Save it and run it. Now we can test it out. Go ahead and click run, and we'll see if it sends the message to our new Telegram bot. The message should pop right up in the chat. You can now use this messaging function and embed it in your projects to send you notifications. For example, yesterday I created an AI large language model program that generates a daily stock report, and then it sends that stock report to my Telegram with the Telegram program we just made. Keep your config.py file private to protect your token, and feel free to tweak the send message function. Check out the Telegram bot API docs for more ideas. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future episode. Let me know down in the comments what projects you're working on. Check out today's sponsor, yumfar.com, and as always, be creative and build something awesome.